Hey, hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Okay, in this video, I'm gonna show you everything how you can manage the website and edit content by yourself, and how you can edit these logos and phone number and email and newsletter also, and how you can add the social icon. So everything I'm gonna show you. I hope if you check the full video, you don't need to get any support. Okay, I think you can manage all of the website by yourself. Okay, so I think it will be a really great advantage for you. Okay, so let's review. At first you have to log in. I think you already know that how WordPress website have to log in. Okay, so you have to provide the username and password, then you can log in into the website. Okay, so here is the website dashboard. You see that? Okay, just a second to load. Here is the website dashboard. You see that? Okay, so I know, I think you already know about that. Okay, so let's continue on the topic. At first we will see how you can manage the header, or how you can change the logo size and phone number and email, and how you can change this text also if you want to change. Okay, so for that, this is called header. So if you want to change this, so you have to go here. You see that here the woodmark and then header builder. Okay, just click on that. Then you will see some headers here. Okay, so you have to click this is the default header. You have to click here. Okay, just click the pen icon, so you can enter in the editor dashboard. So you see that, if you see that the layer, so here is the layer information, and here is the logo, and here is the some those information. So here is the layer also, and here is the menu. So menus here, and the text here, and the social icon here. So if you want to change the text, so you have to just click on the pen icon, then you can see the text, then you can change the text also. Okay, so these texts are white, so that's why you didn't see the visual editor. So you have to click the text, then you will see the text, and then you can change the text or anything you want to do. Okay, then after changes you have to click save, then you have to here to click the final update. Okay, then it is press same to, if you want to change the position also, this menu, and you can just drag and drop. Okay, and here is the menu search, and if you want to delete anything, so you can do. And if you want to change the phone number or email, so you just this is the email, second one, and first one the phone number. So email, the second one, so here is the content, so here is the email, and the phone number also here. Okay, so you can easily all of those things do by yourself. Okay, so and the let's come on the page. Okay, so how you can edit the page, so let's review about that. For that, after login, you will see a toolbar in top. Okay, so here is the toolbar. You didn't see if you don't log in. Okay, so after login, so if you have to decide which page did you want to edit. So if you want to edit the home page, okay, so you have to go the home page, then you will see the edited page. Okay, so just click on that, so you will be redirect the edited dashboard. Then you can edit or manage anything in this dashboard. Okay, so let's compare the edited dashboard layout and the visual layout that user will see the pages. Okay, so here is the layer. So this is the text, and you see the text here. So this is the same text you see here also, and this is the subtitle, and this text, and these two button here. Okay, so if you want to change anything from here or this text, so you have to click this here. Just click on the pen icon, so you can edit all of those things or all of those text here. And if you want to change the button link also, so just click on the button, so you can change the button link here. Here is the link, just select and put the link here, then saves, then you can final update to click here update. And if you want to change the image, this is the background image, so how you can if you want to change this image, so how you can change this. So just click on this here, this icon. This is the full section banner, so this is the section, so you have to just click the main section pen icon, just click here, then scroll down, then you will see the images here. So just click the cross icon, then click the plus icon to upload any images. So you must have to remind that, so if you add a banner images or slide, this is the banner, so you have to add a large image, so without you didn't it look good. Okay, so you have to pretty much large image here upload, so it will be look good. And if you have any problem to resize or customize the images or anything, if you need help, so just inform me, I will try to do my best. Okay, so this is the slider, so we have covered the slider, how you can edit all of those same thing in every section. So you see that in the same things also here. So if you want to change the images, so this image, so you have to just click the pen icon, then you can click here cross icon to delete the image, then click the plus icon to upload the new images, then save changes, then click here to update, then you will see the final update. This is the text here, so if you want to text this text edit, so just click the pen icon here, and all of those things are same. So this is the background image, so if you want to change the background image, so just click the here pen icon, then design, then here is the background image, you see that. So you can change, all of those things are same. So in this all apply for all pages. Okay, so if you want to change about pages, those are same the home page that I have show you here. And okay, so we have covered two things, and here is the header images, header section, and how you can change the background or sorry, how you can change the pages content. All pages are same. Okay, then let's cover the how you can change this footer section. Okay, if you want to change anything, so for that you have to go here, appearance, then widget, just click on that to edit the footer section. Okay, so then you will see the footer section in widget. So you see that 1 2 3 4 5, we have 5 footers. So here is the footer column 1 2 3 4 5, you see that, so 5. So if you want to change this, so this is the number of 2, this is the 2, so just click here 2 column 2, then here is the contactors, so you can change the contact information from here. Okay, here, or you can edit anything here. So it's in the same things, here is the link and about, click here, so you can change the about, then click save, then it will be automatically saved, and you can see the update here. And then if you want to change this for also footer bottom here and these images, for that I don't think you don't need to learn. So let me show you. Here is the footer, so you have to just click on that theme settings, then footer, so you can see the here the text, how you can edit. I think it will be really helpful for you. So if you learn how you can manage the website, so you have a confident to manage the website, so you will really feel too happy. So I can manage my website, it's myself, so I think it's really good for you. So here is the footer bottom content, so you see that, so you can change this here, and here is the images link, so you just replace the link here. Okay, so if you have any problem with that, just inform me. And all of those things are same, and I think I have covered all of those things that we have need. And if you have any problem with that, or if you want to learn anything from me, just inform me, I'll try to my best. Okay, let me show you one thing about the product. Okay, or product means about the classes. So if you want to change, or if you want to manage the classes, so how you can do that. So if you want to learn, just inform me. I will show you some videos and document. So then if you really check that, so you will be see all of those, you can manage all of those things. Okay, so thank you so much, and I'm really happy to work with you, and hope it will be really good working relationship. And thank you so much. So if you have any problem anytime with the website, or if you need any help, just inform me. I'll try to my best. Thank you so much. And also I have fixed the blog images, so if you go the blog section, so you can see the all of blogs here that I get image in the previous website, okay, in the old website. And thank you so much.